Problems can keep us from what we want to have or experience in life and work. In this series of videos, I'll show how to use creativity to solve any problem or achieve an important goal. Solving an important problem or achieving an important goal takes time. It just doesn't happen. You don't just make a decision and poof, all of a sudden your problem or goal is achieved. There are several steps. So in this first step, I'm going to talk about how to select the right problem or goal to achieve that's going to really impact your life. Now, recently I was watching the movie The Martian. The Martian was stranded on Mars, and if you haven't seen the movie, I recommend it both for the entertainment factor and also for the lesson to be learned in terms of solving a problem using creativity. And that's what he did in the movie. He used his creativity along with the brain power of NASA to solve the problem of staying alive long enough so that the crew could rescue him from Mars. And so the first step in this process is to really choose the right problem or goal that you want to work on. Sometimes it's easier to choose something that's painful to you, that's causing you pain in your life, because we often will take action to avoid a pain or a discomfort rather than to achieve a gain or have a benefit. What I suggest you do is to make a list, and you could do this either by yourself or if you're doing this at work with a team, you could do this as a team, and it's to do a brainstorm. And brainstorming means you write down all the things that come to mind that is a problem. In this case, we're talking about a problem or something you want to change in your life or a goal. Now, I've created a worksheet to help you not only do the brainstorm and write it down, but then to prioritize that list, because that's a problem too. What do you work on? You may come up with a list of 20 items or 20 things that you want to achieve in your life in the coming year, let's say, or in the next several months. How do you choose the right one? So what I like to do first is write down my list and then let it sit there, let it percolate. And sometimes what I do is I'll go for a run or a walk or a ski, and those problems that I've written down will come back and I'll start thinking about them. Running or walking or doing a physical exercise generates creativity. It allows us to see things in a different way. We change our perspective, we get away from our desk or whatever, and we see things in a new light, and oxygen is flowing to the brain, so it's just really helpful, I find. So now that you have your number one priority to work on, in the next video, I'll show you how to use another technique to identify what's stopping you from already solving that problem or achieving that goal. And we'll use a technique called the force field analysis to help you do that. So subscribe to my channel so that you get news of the next video. Thanks for listening, and we'll talk again soon. I hope you find these tips useful. Here's some videos that are related that you can watch right now. Subscribe to our channel to get news of new videos as they come out. Thanks for listening, and talk again soon.